it's been a hot minute since I have filmed anything or done anything. I've been on vacation for like 2 weeks. I went to New York and New Jersey. I did a few videos if you guys have seen it. It was really fun, but I want to get back into the swing of things and get back into filming, and I have a lot of makeup that I haven't tried yet, so I guess this will be somewhat of a first impressions, and then also kind of some old standbys that I've been acquainted with. But I don't have any makeup on right now, so I wanted to start off using the Wunderbrow. It looks like I have the shade Brunette, and it's basically like a brow gel that lasts for like 2-3 days, and you're supposed to apply it before any makeup. And I use it to fill in my brows, and then if I'm just going for a natural day, I'll just keep the Wunderbrow on and that'll be it. And if I'm going for like a full glam, I'll add like a pencil in as well. Primer. This is the Makeup Forever HD primer. It has like a beige kind of color. And I actually purchased a fancy foundation. It was 15% off at Sephora for Veterans Day. Random, but this is what I got. I'm in the shade R210 or 7R02. We will see if it is a match. Pretty good color match. But it's not the most full coverage. But I'm not upset about it. We'll try one more dose. But it's like $40. And also a new addition is still the MAC Prolong Wear Paint Pot. But this is in the shade Bear Study. And I got it because she said it was the most fair. But the one thing that I'm like scared about is that it's shimmery, and I like to put this all over the lid. I guess it's not like super shimmery. And lately, I have been loving for like building up a crease using the Shade and Light from Kat Von D. I feel like this has been seen everywhere, but this is what it looks like on the inside, and I've kind of been dipping into everything. But I do kind of prefer this like warmer quad, but we shall see. I always put like a matte white base, and usually I'll stick with this one today, doesn't really matter. The shade Succubus.
Loud enough to quiet the thunder. In love with no doubt, and I'm never gonna slow down. Never gonna slow down.
So next I'm going to be using the Stila metals, and this is in the shade Kitten. Basically what you do, it's a toss-up. Like, I like this form of them because the convenience, but I think when you do it with the mixing liquid and the glitter, it like pops so much more. But anyways, what you do is you drop this little liquid, like 1 or 2 drops, and then I usually take like a brush or like my finger and dip it into the metals part, and then dip it into the liquid, and then apply it to the eyes, and it's kind of just like liquid metal. You shall see.
Before you came round, my heart would never be much faster.
And the next thing I want to try, I feel like a lot of people have tried this, but I've got it in a Sephora Favorites highlighter one, and this is the Milk highlighter. Let's see. Sticks are weird. I don't know. Does it glow? I don't know. Can you see that? I don't know. It's kind of just like dewy on the skin. It's not like super amazing. I'm not super impressed. And for blush, I'm gonna use the Becca Snapdragon. For me, I have to go kind of light-handed on this because it's kind of a more deeper shade blush, but I do like the color. Apply more highlight, and this is the Becca highlight in Proseco Pop. I got this in a BoxyCharm. Yeah, BoxyCharm. My brows a little bit, and this is the MAC eyebrow pencil in the shade Lingering. Lately I have been skipping setting my face. My skin is already pretty dry as it is, and I was like, why am I setting it? Because it was getting like all creasy underneath, and with the Tarte Shape Tape it seems like you don't need a full set and bake underneath the eyes, I guess. And then I'm just gonna use for mascara the Makeup Forever Excessive Lash. This is alright, but my drugstore can do it better, not gonna lie. And it's probably not as expensive. For lips, I'm gonna line my lips with the Jonte Bleu. Oh, this is in the shade Spice. Also got this in a BoxyCharm. It's a pretty shade. I've used it once or twice and it already needs to be sharpened. Kind of annoying. If I was a little more organized, it would be a lot easier. But anyways, that's my own issue. I just kind of want like a little bit of a nude. I'm not really going anywhere fancy, just going to pick up some pizza, so kind of want it to be chill. I just wanted to sit down and do some makeup. I haven't like been doing full faces of makeup at all, so wait, I need bronzer. Lately I've been really liking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and it's a nice color. It's kind of has a metallic, so I wouldn't recommend it for contouring, but I do like it, and it's not super dark where it looks weird on my skin tone. I don't know how it would be on darker skin tones. You may need a darker bronzer. Anyways, back to the lips. At first I didn't like the shade of this, and this is the Tarteist Lip Paint in Salty, but after I used it for a little bit, I actually really like it. And if I wear like a dark lip liner on the outside and then apply the lipstick, I think it looks really cute. So anyways, so this completes the first impression makeup. The lips ended up a lot darker than I was expecting, but whatever. So my camera just kind of died during the last part of the video, but anyways, this completes the finalized look for my first impressions. Most of it was makeup forever. Didn't mean for that, but I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in my next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you would like. I wouldn't mind. Anyways, have a fantastic day, and don't forget to smile, and I'll see you next time. Bye.